Hey crafty friends, here I am. I have a haul to show you from Scrapbooking with me. And I have another one coming. I just made another purchase. So guys, seriously, Scrapbooking with me is the place to be. All right, are you ready? I got the large tag die from G45. And it comes with a little tiny one. Well, it's not tiny, but it's small. So now I have the small, the medium, and because I had got the medium last time, and I got the large. And then it comes with these extra lovely flower dies. So super, super stoked about that. Now, I also got this die. And let's take a look at this one. I am really excited about this one. This is going to be, you know, I'm going to have to play with this. But I saw it on the site and was like, that looks really interesting. So, looking forward to playing with this. And this is Kaiser Craft. I didn't even realize Kaiser Craft had these kind of dies. All right, well, I'm not going to put it back in that bag anyway. All right, now I'm going to show you something. OMG. Okay, so these are 49th and Market. Look at these. And these look like, you know, you can use them just like they are, or you could mix media these. They come with the little berry things and the little squiggly. Let's take these out and have a look at this stuff in the background. Okay, I see. Okay, so I don't want to take them all the way out, but they come like in these long, kind of like a pick, and you stick it in, or you cut it shorter and stick it where you need it in your flower cluster. So 49th and Market, get your flowers. So I got ivory. Do they call it ivory? Call it buttermilk. And this is 23 pieces, buttermilk. This one is called orchid. And they are, I think they're pretty much the same, just different colors. So there's orchid. This one's just called blue. And it's like just a very light, kind of almost a little bit tealy blue in a way. No, more blue, because this one over here is a little more teal. This one's called Sage. So that's the difference in the colors. And I'm sorry, but Rizzo is super snoring over there. So I got Sage. And last but not least, I got, this is called Cherise. And let me show you the difference between the orchid and the Cherise. So this is more pink, and this is a little bit more reddish maroon, I guess. So that's the difference. So I got all of those. So happy. And I did have to add extra money. My design team allowance didn't cover everything, but I needed more stuff than my design team allowance would allow. So now I'm going to take this out and show this to you guys so you can see everything that you get in the Deluxe Collector's Edition. G45 Botanical Tea. And of course, if you guys know me, you know why I needed botanical tea. And last time I created with this was for Linda, Faith Chick 777. I created a gigantic mini album for her. So, look at that big teapot. I just see some beautiful tea room things. So on the other side of that is this paper. Isn't this beautiful? Beautiful. So I guess it's 2 sheets of each, and this is the other side. And then 2 sheets of the brown words. And this is the other side. And then we've got 2 sheets of this. I'm not super crazy about this, to be honest with you. But I do like that. I remember creating with this paper when I had this the first time. And then we got stripes on the back. All right, then we have 2 sheets of this. Really pretty. Oh, I like that. I like that really well too. And I like this. Polka dots on the back. And then we've got 2 sheets of cut aparts. I really think I'll be making a whole bunch of cards and tags and such with this. Yeah. Maybe even some tea party invitations. We've got 2 pages of this with more words on the back. I love this one. So pretty. Look at the vintage lady having tea. Polka dots on the back. And love this page too. One of my faves. And words on the back. And then we have these larger cut aparts. A cup of tea warms the soul like a good friend. Oh, these are lovely. I can't wait to make some tags and cards. Oh, different ones on the other side in case you don't like. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I'm not a big... Oop, I'm sorry, I turned the camera. I'm not a big fan of this one. So this is what's on the other side of that one. And I'm not a big fan of this one, but this is what's on the other side. Oh, is it? No, it's opposite. Well, anyway. All right, there's those. And then you get the sticker sheet. So, botanical tea, hello friend, tea party. A cup of tea warms the soul. You get 2 of those. You get like little stamps and tags and tickets. Hello, friend. And then these long stickers here. The button stickers. Flora, fauna. Fauna, flora. I don't know what that means. Flora, I guess, is flowers, maybe. Get this pretty one with the little hummingbird. And... where did it go? You also get chipboard, and some of my chipboard popped out. Let me find it. It's underneath the papers. Sometimes these chipboards, they pop out when they're getting shipped, but let me see if I can pop them back in so I can show you what you get. There we go. So, Well, at least, you know, they pop out easy. They're not hard to pop out. So, yeah, you get, this one says Botanical Tea. This one has a pretty bird, a butterfly, a bird, a bird, a butterfly. You got all these buttons. This one's gorgeous right here. And then you get these, like, little, I don't know. But anyway, that's the entire set that you get, all of it. And it's a lot. So I'm going to be able to make a ton with that. So stay tuned if you're interested in that. So that is my design team package. And I'll be honest with you, I ordered those flowers because so many of those colors match this Botanical Tea set. So I am looking forward to using all of it. So guys, I always put my coupon code and links to scrapbooking with me in the description box down below. Check them out and save some money and spend some money. I am actually, today is my first day of physical therapy, but I have to go to Joann's to get fabric for the dog bandanas. So I am really scouting out today. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a happy scrappy day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.